No ogbonge word tori na bring come give una for dis 30 minutes for inside pidgin news network Presido of America wey dey call President Donald Trump don come out come yarn say im don use im presido power to stand gidigba to protect the right of American people and freedom of speech. Say I know very well say social media know and dey control all the talk wey people dey yarn on top social media, even the ones that wey be say dem dey talk and everybody dey see, and the ones that wey be say dem dey hide dey talk with their friends. So say im know say social media don big well o, wey be say na there people dey even dey hear news and dey follow news, dey know wetin dey happen and dey hear from their family people, dey hear from their padi dem also na there na im dem dey take dey yarn their mind and also dey follow everything wey dey happen on top social media and other online platform.
Therefore, today I'm signing an executive order to protect and uphold the free speech and rights of the American people. Currently, social media giants like Twitter receive an unprecedented liability shield based on the theory that they're a neutral platform, which they are not an editor with a viewpoint. My executive order calls for new regulations under Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act to make it that social media companies that engage in censoring or any political conduct will not be able to keep their liability shield. That's a big deal. They have a shield. They can do what they want. They have a shield. They're not going to have that shield. My executive order further instructs the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, to prohibit social media companies from engaging in any deceptive acts or practices affecting commerce.
Can continue come dey yarn say Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube say make dem no comot any talk wey be say people yarn for there on top social media, or remove any information wey be say dem put for there, or even control wetin people suppose see or wetin dem no suppose see. Say because social media be like wey be say everybody suppose dey yarn their mind just like the way we say dem dey yarn for university, village meeting and their house. Say make we join hand make we make our democracy stand kampe. This na Man About Town reporting for Pidgin News Network.